I just filled up my car at the gas station, and man, it is so expensive to fill up your car in Germany right now. Not just that, electricity, price to heat your home, energy prices are going through the roof. So in today's video, we're going to talk about ways to save energy and save money here in Germany. Stick around, the last tip, it's totally free, it doesn't cost you a thing, you just have to do it. Hey guys, I'm Josiah. On this channel, we are talking about life here in Germany. If that sort of thing is interesting and relevant to you, hey, it'd be awesome if you could subscribe. And if today's video is helpful, leave a like behind as well. Let's jump into the video. Tip number 1. Get your energy from the cheapest provider. Just like you find the cheapest gas station in town, you can also shop around to get cheaper electricity and gas for your home. I am constantly shopping and looking around for the cheapest electricity and gas providers, and you can save a lot of money by doing this. There are a handful of websites that help you to navigate this process. I use a service called Check24. It's a comparison site and it helps you to compare the best options and offers available to get you the best deal. I will leave some links down below so you can get started in finding the cheapest electricity and gas for your home. Energy saving tip number 2. Now that you have the cheapest electricity and gas for your home, you need to use those as efficiently as possible. Sure, you can go out and buy the most energy efficient appliances, but let's face it, that gets really expensive real quick. Short video interruption with a side note. Sometimes it is totally worth it to replace an old appliance like a dryer, washing machine, fridge for a new one that's way more energy efficient. It can be a little bit more of an upfront cost, but in the long run, save you a ton of money. That's what we did with our dryer last year. Totally worth it. All right, back to the video. But there are some cheap ways to make your existing appliances way more energy efficient. The first way to make your appliances more efficient is by using smart switches. I am a huge fan of smart switches. They're cheap to buy and they help you manage things like fans, water heaters, lights, really anything with a plug. In Germany, it's very common to have a plug-style water heater in your bathroom or underneath your kitchen sink. And those things run 24/7. But really, who's doing dishes at 3 a.m.? With a smart plug, you can easily schedule when your appliances turn on, when they turn off. It's a really clever way to save electricity as well as money. The next way to make your current appliances way more efficient is by installing a smart heater system in your home. Most homes in Germany have radiator heaters in each room. Each radiator has to be manually turned up or down throughout the day. To heat your home efficiently, it takes a lot of work. A smart heating system replaces the existing knob on your radiator, enabling your heaters to be automated and to run on the schedule that you set. I use a smart heating system from a company called Tado. I'm a big fan. It's really easy to program them, to create schedules for them. It recognizes when I'm not at home and turns the heaters down. It recognizes when I'm coming home and starts warming them back up again. It can even turn your heaters off when the windows are opened. It's super practical. It is a bit of an upfront investment, but totally worth it in my opinion. It saves so much money in the long run. I'll leave some Amazon links down in the description below of different smart heating systems that I think are worth checking out and investing in. Energy saving tip number 3 is all about implementing some energy saving habits into your life. It's totally free, just a little bit of work. We all know the basics of, turning off a light when you leave a room, turning off the water when you brush your teeth. Man, Germans even turn the water off when they're soaping up in the shower. But here are a few more energy-saving habits that maybe you didn't know about. The first one is about ventilating your home. Ventilating your home the right way can save you up to 165 euros a year. Crazy, right? Those of you who are not familiar with German apartments or houses, They're generally brick and they don't have ventilation systems. So you need to open and close the windows yourself to get fresh air in your home. And there is actually a right and a wrong way to do this. If you do it right, it's gonna save you money. And as well, it's gonna prevent some mold growing in your home. There is a website, I'm gonna link it down below. It has comprehensive instructions on how to properly ventilate your home. Links are down below. The second energy saving habit that maybe you didn't know about is super simple. It's the habit of keeping the doors in your apartment or house closed. This helps rooms heat more efficiently and helps you save energy. There are so many habits that can help save energy. If you have some good ones, hey, share yours down in the comment section below and let us know what they are. There you guys go. I hope these tips have been helpful and they help you save energy and money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. We'll see you guys on the next one.